Top 5 AI ETFs to invest in now. Introduction to AI and ETFs. Artificial intelligence is an emerging technology that is changing the world in ways that were once thought impossible. AI-powered applications are becoming increasingly widespread, and its growth potential is significant. As an investor, you can benefit from this growth by investing in AI ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that track the performance of a particular index or sector. AI ETFs, in particular, invest in companies that are focused on developing and implementing AI technologies. In this post, we will explore the top 5 AI ETFs to invest in now. The 5. 1. Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, BOTS. BOTS is an ETF that seeks to invest in companies that are leading the development of robotics and AI technologies. The fund has exposure to companies involved in the manufacturing of robotics and AI technologies, as well as those that provide AI services. BOTS has a total expense ratio of 0.68% and is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. 2. AI-powered equity ETF, AIEQ. AIEQ is an ETF that uses AI and machine learning to select stocks for the fund's portfolio. The fund's algorithm analyzes data on companies' financial statements, news articles, and social media sentiment to identify investment opportunities. The fund has a total expense ratio of 0.75% and is traded on the New York Stock Exchange. 3. eShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, IRBO. IRBO is an ETF that tracks the performance of companies involved in the development and production of robotics and AI technologies. The fund invests in both large-cap and mid-cap companies in the US and abroad. IRBO has a total expense ratio of 0.47% and is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. 4. First Trust Nasdaq Artificial Intelligence and Robotics ETF, ROBT. ROBT is an ETF that invests in companies that are involved in the development and implementation of AI and robotics technologies. The fund has exposure to companies in various sectors, including healthcare, financial services, and consumer discretionary. ROBT has a total expense ratio of 0.65% and is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. 5. Invesco QQQ ETF, QQQ. QQQ is an ETF that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, which includes companies that are leaders in the technology industry. While the fund does not exclusively invest in AI companies, it has exposure to companies that are at the forefront of AI development. QQQ has a total expense ratio of 0.2% and is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. What to consider before investing in AI ETFs? Before investing in AI ETFs, it is essential to consider several factors. First, investors should evaluate the fund's expense ratio, as this will impact the overall returns of the investment. Additionally, investors should consider the fund's holdings, including the types of companies the fund invests in and the fund's diversification strategy. Investors should also evaluate the fund's performance history and compare it to similar funds in the market. AI is a rapidly growing area of technology, and its potential for growth is significant. Investing in AI ETFs can provide exposure to this growth potential while diversifying an investor's portfolio. The top 5 AI ETFs to invest in now include BOTS, AIEQ, IRBO, ROBT, and QQQ. Before investing in AI ETFs, it is essential to consider factors such as the fund's expense ratio, holdings, diversification strategy, and performance history. By considering these factors, investors can make informed investment decisions and capitalize on the growth potential of AI.